DIY with Ollie! Arts, crafts, yummy treats, lots to do, lots to eat. Come and join in the fun. Let's get making, let's get baking, let's get arty and messy. DIY with Ollie.com.
Welcome to DIY with Ollie. Today we gonna paint pretty tree. Let's go make it. Today we gonna need paint tray, 2 canvas, O2 brush, paintbrush, red paint, pink paint, white paint, and brown paint. First we paint the tree. Now paint some big branches. Then paint some cute like tiny branches. Now we let it dry. It's dry. Now we can make the flower. Now swirl pink, white, and red together, and you tap it onto the canvas. That's it. When it's dry, hang it onto your wall to celebrate spring. Like and subscribe for more